Have you noticed that your washing machine smells bad even when not in use? That is because dirt, detergent residues, and bacteria are trapped inside where you cannot see them. This is the Karo Washing Machine Cleaner, an easy and effective way to deep clean your washing machine. Take one tablet, place it directly inside the empty drum. Run a warm wash cycle. The tablet activates as it dissolves, penetrating deep into the drum, pipes, and hidden corners. It removes grease buildup, neutralizes bad odor, and helps prevent future residue. Your washing machine comes out fresh, hygienic, and more effective, giving you cleaner, better smelling clothes every wash. Order from Karo. Visit our website on www.karomall.store or call any of our contacts below. Karo Washing Machine Cleaner. Don't just wash your clothes, wash your washing machine. Karo, innovative, quality, and affordable.